This is the most important concept where lower triangular matrix I have represented this way and upper triangular matrix I have represented in this way. So we have to assume L into U is a X. L into U is a A. L into U is equal to A. So that means the any A matrix can be bifurcated or it could be factorized. Any A matrix can be factorized into the lower triangular matrix and upper triangular matrix. So we need to find out these elements and so that this product lower and upper triangular should be the given matrix. So we have assumed in this linear system whatever the equation we have given takes so that given equation 4 equation that can be represented into the A into X is equal to B. That you got? How many people have know that any linear system equation can be represented in the format of this linear system equation. It could be A1, A2, A3. C2, C3. Or it could be A1, A2, A3, B1, B2, or it could be A1, B1, C1. It could be represented in the format of A1, B1, C1, or it could be here A2. That sequence is that we are not going to matter because A2 position is going to matter. What you are writing here, A2 or A1, that doesn't mean. So that position in the particular A matrix is going to be more important. Where it is going to stand in a row and column wise. So that we don't bother about this value. So A1, A2, A3 value could be anything. Okay, so this way the linear system equation can be represented. So that can be, we have seen in previous method, we are going to represent this kind of linear system equation. We have represented only 3 equations there. As there are x, y, z, 3 unknown variables are there. That means we require a 3 minimum equation. Then only we can solve the equation. We have taken 3 equations and that can be represented in the format of A into X is equal to B. So that A matrix is to be represented A1, A2, A3, B1, B2, B3. The position is going to matter. So this is the first row, first column. First row, second column. First row, third column. Second row, first column. Second row, second column. Second row, third column. Third row, first column. Third row, second column. Third row, third column. So in this way, the position is going to matter. What you write here, C3, X3, M3 or any other variables, that doesn't mean. So that are known values. So these are the known values. Now unknown values are X, Y, Z. So that we need to determine to solve this equation. And again, B value also can be represented into the D. Previously we have taken D. That's why I am going to take the D. Or else we can take also B also. So that can be represented the particular X matrix is this and D matrix is equal to D1, D2, D3. So that up to this we know. So here in this particular LU decomposition, we have seen we have assumed this concept that any square matrix can be bifurcated into the lower triangular matrix and upper triangular matrix. That means if you see this particular matrix, A matrix, we can represent into the A is equal to A matrix is equal to L and U. That is our assumption. So we can rewrite this particular equation L into U into X is equal to D. So L into X is equal to D. Have we got this? We have assumed this from the given equation. We have represented L into X is equal to D. Have you got this? So because this equation we need to solve these particular values and we need to solve the at last the values of x, y, z. Our ultimate aim is to calculate the value of x. Our ultimate aim is to calculate the value of x. That is x, y, z, or it could be x1, x2, x3, depending on the format of equation given in the question paper of the particular model we have generated. So LUX is equal to B. LUX is equal to D. That is first equation. Second assumption. Second equation we have derived. From that, we have to assume UX is equal to V. UX is equal to V. So this is the equation that would be required to calculate the values of V. So then you ask where to use this V value. So from this equation, we are need to calculate the value of V because U values are known. U matrix is this. U matrix is this. X value is X, Y, Z. Sorry, this would be used in a second term. So this, though the equation is first one, we need to utilize after putting this value of Ux is going to be in a particular equation. Ux is equal to V. So that means L into V is equal to D. So this is now second equation that we have derived. No need to buy out anything, just we have to remember these two equations. If you know these two equations, ultimately you can solve this particular X is equal to D. What we have done, we have bifurcated L matrix into the L into U, X as it is, D as it is. So then we have assumed U into X is equal to V, some other matrix. Assume some other matrix U into X is equal to V. Now we have to put this value V in our equation. L into V is equal to D. We have assumed U into X is equal to V. L into V is equal to D. Now we have to utilize this equation. First, we have to assume the equation. So we have to bifurcate. First part, bifurcate this A is equal to L into U. And know all values. Know all values 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 9 values. Know 9 values of lower triangular matrix, upper triangular matrix. This will be the first step. The first step to solve this equation by LU decomposition is that to bifurcate a matrix into the lower triangular, product of lower triangular matrix, upper triangular matrix. Doing this, we are going to calculate the value of these, because these values are known, these values are known, these values are known, these values are known. Just what we have to do is we have to multiply this matrix. Multiply L into U. By doing this multiplication, we have to assume whatever the multiplication of this row with this column would be 1. This element we need to calculate. So this row into this column, it will be B1. C1, this row into this column. So this way we have to proceed. We have to proceed further, and we need to know the values of L21, L31, L32, and these values are known. Simple multiplication of two matrices required. The concept of multiplication of two matrices is required for calculation of these values. Okay, so then values are calculated. Now second step we have to adopt is we have to write this equation L into V is equal to B, because L values are known. L values are known. By using bifurcating this equation, or ultimately calculating this value, lower triangular matrix is known. Lower triangular matrix is known to us. This is the second step. V matrix, that is unknown. V1, V2, V3. That we have to assume this way. V1, V2, V3. D values that are given in equation V1, V2, V3. Okay. So using this equation, we have to know these V1, V2, V3. Now third step that we need to apply is U into X is equal to V. U into X is equal to V. So here U is known. U is known because we have bifurcated the given matrix into the upper triangular matrix. So U1, 1, 1. So these 6 values are known. So that means U value is known. Now X values that are assumed X, Y, Z this matrix, and V values are calculated earlier. So using this equation, we need to know the value of X. Previous equation L into V is equal to D. We calculated the V value. V values are here. And using this equation, we need to know the X value. So only three steps are need to calculate this particular matrix. I say 3 steps, but it involves a lot of calculation. Okay. So this is the way we need to no more this particular process. Okay. So write these steps. Write these steps and also represent given matrix into the lower triangular, upper triangular matrix. If you have not got this, definitely we are going to take a problem. Based on that problem, you may understood better way. Any issues, any problems? This is one of the most important method. This method is asked frequently in examination. This method is asked frequently. Anybody has any issue regarding the yellow decomposition method? Or if you're listening, type yes. Type yes if you are listening. If there is any issue, typing. I think chat box is disabled by some people. मला पण सेटिंग मिळत नाही तर काय डिसेबल कोणी केलं नाही. I'm not getting response from you. That's why I am not started resume the lecture. I think there is an issue. Are you able to listen my voice? If you are listening properly, type yes. Okay, I think I got this particular message very late, from 32 onwards. You may have typing the message, but I couldn't see the particular message. So we'll take a problem based on decomposition, so that it will be better to understand. To write the problem, okay, write the equation. Apply factorization method to solve the equation. Apply factorization method or Galileo decomposition method to solve the equation. The equations are 3x plus 2y plus 2y plus 7z is equal to 4. Then 2x plus 3y plus z is equal to 5. 3x plus 4y plus z is equal to 7. So take your pen, book, calculator with you. We are going to solve this equation. So first we have to represent a given matrix in the format of Ax is equal to B. That you already know. Ax is equal to B. So given A matrix, we represent it as 3, 2, 3, 2, 3, 4. Then 7, 1, 1. X format is X matrix is X, Y, Z. Then B matrix. It could be written B also. Somebody can 4, 5, 7. I will check equation again so that there should not be any confusion. So 3x plus 2y is equal to 7. 2x plus 2yz is equal to 5. 4x plus 4, 3x plus 4y plus z is equal to 7. 3, 2, 7, 2, 3, 1, 3, 4, 1. Okay, so now the first step that we need to divide the particular matrix into the L into U. I will start from here. Is it visible side? Yes, this side is visible. When it is not visible, I will make some arrangement. Okay, so first part we will represent the given matrix in a format of A equal to L into U. So a matrix that already given, that matrix 3, 2, 7, 3, 2, 7, then 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, then 3, 4, 1, 3, 4, 1 into the lower triangular matrix. This is the lower triangular matrix. Then also upper triangular matrix. Okay, I have represented by the position of that particular matrix U 3, 3. So this step is needed for the calculation of lower triangular matrix and upper triangular matrix. So only we have to do is do the multiplication. You already know the multiplication of the two matrices, so that we need to arrange. So suppose these 3 elements to be calculated. So 3 element is multiplication of this row into this column. So then 2 is equal to this row into this column. 3, this 3 element, that position is this row into this column. Then 2 is this row, first row, and second column. Then 3 is second row into the second column. Then third row, this column going to give 4. Now we need to calculate 7. To calculate the 7, we need to take a third column. So first row, third column. Second row, third column. This row, third column. So it will give 7, 1, 1. So we need to arrange this equation. So we need to multiply all these elements with lower and upper triangular, and we have to attach this value, and we need to calculate 3, 2, 3, all the members, all the elements of this particular operation. So generally it will be taken as first row, this multiplication will be done by this. Then we need to calculate second row. So second row with the first column. So this in the format of we have to go further. So we'll start the multiplication. So we need to calculate. So suppose that 3 element, this position is always equal to this row into this column. So that would be U11 into the 1, 0 into 0, 0 into 0. So ultimately we get U11 is equal to 3. So this is the first member we directly get. Now we need to multiply this row with this column, L21. So that would be what? That would be attached to 2. 2 is equal to 2 is equal to this row with this column, this row with this column. L21 into U11 into 1 into 0, 0. That you have already, that means this row with this column is going to give this second element, that is 2 element. So we need to calculate 2 is equal to this row with this column. Okay. So ultimately U11 is known. L21 2 is equal to L21 into U11, that is 3. So ultimately L21 is equal to 2 by 3. So second element is known to us. Okay. So now we have to further attach this 3 element. 3 is equal to this row with this column. So that is L31 into, I will write here so it will be better to understand you. Now we have to multiply this row with this column. That is assigned as a 3 value. Simple multiplication of two matrices. This into this row, third row into the first column. Third row into first column always give. This is a element. Third row, first element. So 3 is equal to. So if you multiply this, L31 into U11. This is U11. U11 into L32 into 0. 1 into 0. That means ultimately all are 0. So we got the equation 3 is equal to L31 U11. Always U11 is known to us. That is 3. So 3 into 3 L31 is equal to 3. That means L31 is equal to 1. Okay, we have got the 3 elements. Now we have to do we have to multiply this row with this one, and we have to attach with this 2, 3, 4. Then we have to further with this 7, 1, 1, 7, 1. So these elements. So now we are taking 2. So that means we have to take, this is the first row, second column. 1 into U12 0, 0. Okay, so U12 is equal to 2. U12 is equal to 2. We are taking this row. Okay. So now again multiply with this row. That is equal to 3. L21 into U12 plus 1 into U22 0 into 0. Okay. Then last equation L31 into U12 L32 plus L32 into U22. So that is going to give 4. 1 into 0, 0. Okay. So we need to find this element. So which are known to us? L21, yes, it is L21 is known. Then U22, U12, it is U12 is known to us. So we are ultimately going to find this U22. So these values are need to calculate because these two elements are known and 3 is also there. So it is 4 by 3. It is 4 by 3. Again here 3 minus 4 by 3. So that is 9 into 4 minus 3. 9 minus 4 into that is 5 by 3. That is 5 by 3. That is U22. U22 is you got as a 5 by 3. Now, third equation in the second row is 4 is equal to L31. L31 is known to us. Yes, L31 calculated here. L31 1. U12 we have calculated. Yes, U12 calculated. L32 not calculated. U22 that is 5 by 3. L by 3 by 5 by 2. So that is here we need to know U32. So U32 is need to calculate it. So that calculation I will write here briefly. 4 into 2 plus U32 into 5 by 2. So it is 2 is equal to U32 into 5 by 2. 2 on to the left side U32. So it is a U32 would be 4 by 5. So it is a 4 by 5. So now 6 values are known to us. Now we have to move further. I will write this straight at the top so that you will better to U. Second step is L into B is equal to B. Third step is that we require Ux is equal to B. So ultimately, these three equations are need to know. The 3 steps are required to know. So we have calculated only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These elements are calculated. U11 is equal to 3. U21 is equal to 2 by 3. U31 is equal to 1. U12 is equal to 2. Similarly, U22 is equal to 5 by 3. U32 is equal to 4 by 3. Now we have to take this row. attached with 7 here. So 1 into U13, so this row into this column, this row 1 into this 0 into 0, 0 into this, so ultimately 0 U13 is equal to into 1 is equal to 7. Now second row, we have to attach L21 into U13 plus 1 into, that is U23 is equal to into 1 plus 1 plus U into 1 and 0 into U3, that is 0. So we don't write that. Now third, L31 into U13 L32 into U23 L32 into U23 and 1 into U33. Okay, so which values are known to us? 1 is equal to L21. Have we calculated? Yes, L21 we have calculated. That is 2 by 3. U13 it is calculated. It is a 7. That means U23 need to calculate. This value is we are going to calculate. I will briefly write here. Directly U. This calculation 1 plus 14, sorry, 1 is equal to 14 by 3 U23. So 1 minus 14 by 3. So 3 minus 14 by 3, that would be minus 11 by 3. 3 minus 14, minus 11 by 13. Minus 11 by 13. We need to check this. Calculation should be precise. Okay, now we have to equate this last equation. This is the second equation. This is the third equation. Here we are equating this equation, and 3. 9 multiplication, 6 multiplication, 9 multiplication we have done. With row and column operation, 9 elements we have equated. From that, we have calculated this value. U23 is equal to minus 11 by 3. U23 is minus 11 by 3. Here we have calculated. Now, this one we need to L31 is where? Here it is a 1. U13 is a 7 into 7 plus L32 I think we need to calculate. L32 U23 is minus 11 by 3 plus U33 where we calculated कुठली value माहित असणार आहे U23 L32 को काढले आपण L32 इसको क्या वैल्यू में L3 को मिळाली U11 मिळाली इथे L21 मिळाली ठीक आहे इथे L31 मिळाली त्यानंतर U12 मिळाली इथे U22 मिळाली ठीक आहे इथे U32 मिळाली U32. Okay, there is a calculation. There is an issue. I think you have calculated this value as a L32. I am writing mistake. L32. Okay, so L32 is what? 4 by 5. 4 by 5 into U33. That means we need to calculate this U33. So that is what is equal to this equation 7 plus minus 44 into 15 that we need to calculate. Okay, so 7 minus so term plus U32. So 1 minus 6 plus 44 by 15 that is U33. So 44 by 15 minus 5 is equal to U33. 42 minus 75 divided by 15 is equal to U33. So that is 31 divided by 15 is equal to U33. Is it correct? Minus 8 by 5. Value 8 by 5 by 8 by 5. Other values are correct. Something U33. I need to check the equation. So you also do the calculations. Meanwhile, I will check how U3 is going to, all values are correct or not. U11 is equal to 3. That is okay. U1 is equal to 3. U12 is equal to 2. U13 is equal to 7. Okay, I will check the values, all are correct. Then L21 is equal to 2 by 3, correct. L3 by 1 is equal to 1, correct. U22 is equal to 5 by 3. U33 minus U33. U23 minus 11 by 3. L32 that is 6 by 2. Okay. We take another problem. Right equation. This equation. L31 is equal to 1. U12 is equal to 2. L32 when we calculated L32 that we need to calculate U22 that is 5 by 2. Okay, so the calculation 4 equal to 2 plus L32 into 5 by 2. So 2 equal to 6 by 5. 6 by 5. 2 minus L32 is equal to 5 by 2. 4 minus U12 is equal to 2. Okay, no problem. Many values are correct. U22 5 by 3. Okay. Just I have committed one mistake that I have written this U22 is 5 by 3. I have taken 5 by 2. This is only one mistake. Because of this only I have taken instead of 5 by 3, I have taken 5 by 2. Okay, so 5 by 3, 2 into 3, it is now, you can go 3 into 2, 6 by 5. So this answer will be 6 by 5. Because of the 6 by 5, there is also 6. So this equation is now made to correct. 66. Minus 9 by 15. Minus 3 by 5. Minus 3 by 5? Is it correct one? Minus 3 by 5. I think I really need to check each and every part. L31. L31 is equal to 1. U13. U13 is equal to U13. 7. Okay. L32. 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 Where is L32? L32 is equal to 6 by 5. Yes, it is a 6 by 5. Into U23. U23 we have calculated minus 11 by 3. Plus U33 is equal to 1. This is a 7. So 1 minus 7 plus 66 by 15. 1 minus 7. 1 minus 7. This is a 6. This is a 19. Again, 34 is going to come. 24. 24 by 50. That means 8 by 5. So answer will be minus 8 by 5. Minus 8 by 5. Just I need to write on a blackboard. It will not happen. If you write sequentially on a notebook, definitely it will go to it would be easier to calculate these values. Okay, how many people have got this? I think there is a second lecture. 3 o'clock is there. Have got this? Next lecture, we have just whatever the values are, we are going to put here. These values are going to put here. Only if you put these values here, directly I will write here. U11. U11 is equal to 3. L21. L21 is equal to 2 by 3. 2 by 3. Then L31 is equal to 1. L31 is equal to 1. So here U12 is equal to 2. U22 is equal to 5 by 3. This is a 5 by 3. Then L32. L32 is 6 by 5. Here U13 is equal to 7. 7. Then U23 is equal to minus 11 by 30. Then we calculate U33 is equal to minus 8 by 5. This way we are bifurcated into the lower triangular matrix and upper triangular matrix. Have you got this? This is a 6, 9 multiplication we require. When you do this time multiplication, any square matrix A into the product of lower triangular matrix and upper triangular matrix. Now we have to utilize, we have converted this part. We have to utilize this lower triangular matrix into the V value that we need to calculate. B matrix here is given. B matrix is here. So here into V, V1, V2, V3 into D. So using that V value is calculated. So now next part we need to calculate X value because B is known now. So using that X, Y, Z are calculated. So next two steps we will take in the next lecture. So V into 3. Try to solve this problem. Definitely it's a somewhat lengthiest problem. Have you got this? How many people have got this? We are going to continue in the next lecture. If you have known how to bifurcate this particular matrix, type yes. Any question, any query?